just came inside from playing in the snow. The first thing she wanted to do is chew her bone in the sun. Oops. And I know there are people on the internet that will say, never give your dog rawhide. Boo, ha ha, boo, boo, ha ha, boo, boo, boo. Whatever. She's been chewing rawhides her entire life. And she doesn't chew anything else. She doesn't eat my shoes. She doesn't eat the furniture. She chews nothing but her rawhides. She's perfectly happy and healthy. So I appreciate the internet with their sage wisdom. But this particular dog is totally okay with what she's doing. Feel free to do with you and your dog what you think is appropriate. Oh, here's Gary. Oh, Bird. Not quite getting your head in frame there when you're tilting your head back like that. You want to be on camera, Gary? There you go, bud. There's Gary. You got a little piece off there, didn't you? Reposition this, get a little better. Now, Birda, if you'd back up about 3 inches, you'd be in the sun just about perfect. Did you know that? You'd be perfectly placed in the sun if you back up 3 inches. You all tuckered out from catching those frisbees? So in the last frisbee snow video, I mentioned that she doesn't like to leave the garden unless she catches the last frisbee. And true to her, we were getting ready to leave. I walked to the gate and I said, let's go, Birda. She brought her frisbee, demanded that I throw it. First throw was garbage. There was no way my dog could have caught it. She brought it right back, demanded a rethrow. Second throw was just about as bad. Bird, I can see your breath coming out. Is it that cold in my house? You must have snow in your belly. Did you eat so much snow you're breathing snow breath out? It might be. But the third one she caught, and she just went straight to the door and dropped the frisbee. That's all she wanted, was to do a catch and go. She loves catching frisbees. My cat's just sitting here. He's purring, which he doesn't do very much. You want to be on video, Gare? You got to be in the camera. There you are. Go be a cat on camera. Oh, the dog's going to get up into your business. Hey, Gare. Sorry about the actions in front of the camera, bud. Not back behind it where I am. I know it's confusing to be a cat. Oh man, we could get the string out. You could play with the string on camera. That'd be just like almost too much. You're so close to being in frame. Now you're hogging the whole frame. Typical cat. You all done with your bone? Oh, man. So it's nice that it's finally warmed up a little bit. Man, it was so cold for so long. Come here. You got a boogie. I don't like that boogie. There. What are you thinking? It's time for a nap? I bet. After all that running you just did, probably exhausted. So the videos are more entertaining when you do something, Birda. Did you know that? You do a trick? Can you sit? Well, almost. That was almost a sit. You're funny. She listens to the commands a little better when there's food involved, I will admit that. Typical dog. She might fall asleep. You lay down? Take a nap? Birda, take a nap? All the way down. All the way down. All the way down for a nap. Oh, you don't want to do it, do you? Those eyelids are getting heavy. Yep. Heavy eyelids. Getting sleepy. Oh, don't mind me. Oh, you've had enough. You don't like to be on camera, do you? Did you just snoot the camera? Did you just give the camera a snoot?
Okay, Bird. We'll see you later. Stay safe.